Greetings everybody. I am B. Selva Lakshmi here with you. I would like to express my gratitude to my dear Professor Dr. N. Pandyan for this wonderful opportunity to elucidate on system theory of management. Let's get started. People are seen to have system for just about everything, like how to get ready for work in the morning, how to do the dishes, etc. System are all around us. Even people think that they do not have system or actually doing things one way or the other. The system management theory believes that a system is a collection of activity brought together to accomplish some objective. Looking at it from the other perspective, if one part of the system fails or it's taken out of the system, itself cannot work. Let us look into an example. If you have a system to get ready for the work in the morning and part of the system is taking shower, imagine hot water supply gets disconnected or water supply itself stops. The system breaks down and changes need to be implemented. The point is, even if the system breaks, it's still a system, just not the one you are used to it, but you need to change the system in order to get out of the door and to do the work. The concept is the foundation of the system management theory. Every step or an activity involved in this process is the part of the system. The system theory accommodates the interrelationship and overlap between separate disciplines. Now we will consider the application of a system theory in an organizational. In organizational theory, an organization is highlighted as a person or a group of people intentionally put together to accomplish the overall common goal or a set of goals. For the system to be effective, then it has to various inputs in order to have several outputs that together accomplish the desired goal by the organization. There are also need to be an outgoing feedback between the input and the output to ensure they remain aligned to the overall goal of the organization. For instance, at the main fast food restaurant like McDonald's, Starbucks, Taco Bell, etc., the system is present where one either walk in or through drive get the orders. There are meal from the choice on the menu board and the food is served or delivered within a minimal time. This system is proven to work again and again with not much modification in the system of organization. As you can see, there is usually a company behind this system, but the system is the part of how the company runs. There are different viewpoints on this system that will also help us understand. Here, there is a management theory. There are open management system, closed management system, and subsystem of management. Open system management refers to a organizational system that interacts with the environment and actively managing the inflows and outflows of the resources. Humans are the best example who actively interact with the environment, which result in changes to both the environment and the human. Human inhale oxygen out of the environment and exhale carbon dioxide into the environment. The open system approaches serve as the model of business activity that this business as the process of transforming the input to the output of the environment. Closed system management refers to the system having relatively little interaction with the other system or outside of the environment. And here is an example. Relatively would be a watch. Watch is relatively self-contained, self-maintaining unit that has less or little interact or exchange with its environment. Closed system assumes relatively little complexity. Another good example is a simple device thermostat. It is dependent mainly on the temperature fluctuation. Open systems such as a human body and a modern organization are more intricately dependent on the environment. Subsistence system. This simply means to support life with an example. Subsistent farming literally means farming for the purpose of supporting life. Subsystem management is much like how a train system around an airport can you get you from a terminal to terminal, no matter what system is present. There are times when the system will work rightly, have synergy of or harmoniously and then unison with each other. To conclude, the system theory of management believes that a collection of activity is brought together using open system of management or a closed system of management with or without the process of subsystem called subsistence system theory to accomplish some goals or an objective in running an organization or a company. Every organization or a company must undergo in order to function effectively. Thank you.